Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got an exciting challenge for you. We'll be testing your skills with 35 advanced English MCQs. Can you handle these tough tests? Let's find out. 1. Choose the sentence with correct punctuation. She went to the market but forgot her wallet. Tips: proper use of commas to separate clauses. 2. Choose the sentence with correct grammar. She can sing very well. Tips: the verb following should be in its base form. 3. Which sentence is in the future perfect tense? He will have studied by 8 p.m. Tips: future perfect tense is used to describe an action completed by a certain time in the future. 4. What is the passive form of they built a house? A house was built by them. Tips: in passive voice, the object becomes the subject of the sentence. 5. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. They decided to leave early. Tips: no commas are needed between the subject and the verb in this case. 6. Choose the correct sentence. I don't know where he went. Tips: use the past tense when after know where. 7. Choose the correct sentence. She has been working on this project for 2 hours. Tips: use since with a specific point in time, for with a duration. 8. Which sentence uses the passive voice? The presentation is given by the manager. Tips: passive voice focuses on the action or the recipient of the action. 9. What is the meaning of ephemeral? Lasting a very short time. Tips: ephemeral refers to something that is short-lived. 10. Which sentence is in the past perfect tense? She had already left when I called. Tips: the past perfect is used to describe an action completed before another action in the past. 11. Which of the following is an example of a conditional sentence? If it rains, we will cancel the trip. Tips: conditional sentences express situations and consequences. 12. What is the correct usage of the word complement? Her skills complement his abilities. Tips: compliment means to complete or enhance something, compliment means praise. 13. Choose the correct sentence. We can hardly wait for the event. Tips: use hardly instead of can't hardly, as it's a double negative. 14. Which is the correct use of a semicolon? I have a meeting at 3 p.m., I am preparing for it. Tips: a semicolon links two related independent clauses. 15. Choose the right usage of whom. Whom did she invite? Tips: whom is used as the object of a verb. 16. Which of the following sentences is an example of an oxymoron? She is a wise fool. Tips: an oxymoron combines two contradictory terms. 17. Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? Each of the students has a book. Tips: when each is the subject, use singular verbs. 18. Which sentence is in the correct form of the subjunctive mood? I wish I were taller. Tips: use were for unreal or hypothetical situations in the subjunctive mood. 19. Which of the following sentences is correct? She is smarter than me. Tips: use more with adjectives that have two or more syllables, but smarter is the correct comparative form. 20. Which sentence is an example of an inversion? Never have I seen such a beautiful sight. Tips: inversion occurs when the auxiliary verb comes before the subject. 21. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. The teacher asked us to underscore our homework by Monday. Submit. Tips: use the base form of the verb after to. 22. Choose the correct word to fill in the blank. The manager asked him to. The presentation. Replicate. Tips: replicate means to repeat or reproduce exactly. 23. Which word is the best synonym of eloquent? Articulate. Tips: an eloquent speaker is one who expresses themselves clearly and persuasively. 24. What does the term facetious mean? Playful. Tips: facetious refers to a humorous or playful attitude, often inappropriately so. 25. What is the opposite of optimistic? Pessimistic. Tips: optimistic means hopeful, while pessimistic refers to having a negative outlook. 26. What is the meaning of acrimonious? Angry. Tips: acrimonious refers to something harsh or bitter, typically in speech or behavior. 27. Which of these is a correct comparative form? More beautiful. Tips: use more to form the comparative of adjectives with more than one syllable. 28. Which sentence is an example of an oxymoron? Bittersweet. Tips: an oxymoron is a figure of speech where two contradictory terms appear together. 29. Which of the following is an adverb? Quickly. Tips: an adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or other adverb. Quickly modifies an action. 30. What does altruistic mean? Selfless. Tips: altruistic describes someone who is concerned for the well-being of others. 31. What is the correct form of the verb in the sentence? If I. Earlier, I would have caught the bus. Had left. Tips: use the past perfect tense after if in third conditional sentences. 32. What is the synonym of verbose? Wordy. Tips: verbose means using more words than necessary. 33. Which word is the antonym of benevolent? Cruel. Tips: benevolent refers to being kind and well-meaning. 34. Choose the correct sentence. He doesn't like pizza. Tips: use doesn't with the base form of the verb. 35. Which word is a synonym for abstruse? Obscure. Tips: abstruse means difficult to understand. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like the video, drop your answers in the comments, and subscribe to Next Level English for more awesome content. See you next time.